everyone. I'm your English teacher from Shri Guru Harkrishan Senior Secondary Public School, and I hope that everything is good with you and your family. Now today from your grammar book we will discuss a grammar topic, and the name of topic is pronoun. So I hope in your previous class you may have done this topic, what are pronoun, and many of you may know the answer. So what are pronouns? In English language, when we speak, it is better to avoid repetition of words. So, to avoid repetition of the same noun, the word we use in place of noun, that is known as a pronoun. So, read this definition for more clarity. A word that is used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. Example: I, me, this, those, he, her, himself, etc. Example for more clarity: Samita thanked Raj because Raj has helped Samita to complete Samita's work. So, in this example, you can see we have used Samita again and again. So, how we can replace this noun with pronoun? Read this next example. Samita thanked Raj because he helped her to complete her work. So instead of using Samita again and again, we used pronoun her, and instead of using Raj again, we used pronoun he. Now kinds of pronoun. What are different kinds of pronoun? First one is personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronouns, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun. So now discuss in detail these pronouns one by one. First one is personal pronoun. They take the place of a person or thing. I, me, you, he, she, her, it with singular. We, us, them, their, you with plural. Now, what are possessive pronoun? These are used instead of nouns to show possession or relationship. Mine, ours, yours, his, her, their. So, those which show possession, that are known as possessive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. They are pronouns in which the actions done by the subject reflect upon it, self or selves, is added to the personal pronoun. So what are reflexive pronouns? That reflect back again to the subject, that are known as reflexive pronoun. For example, themselves, myself, himself, herself, yourself, and themselves. Now fill in the blanks with suitable pronoun. For your practice, Danny has no friend. So instead of Danny, we use he as a personal pronoun. This house belongs to me. It is mine. So instead of using my house, we used a personal pronoun mine. They do their homework themselves. That is a reflexive pronoun because it reflects back again to the subject. Rama brought this dress. It is her. Again, it is a possessive pronoun because it shows possession of Rama's. I enjoyed my stay in Delhi. So, I enjoyed my here is the objective personal pronoun. Now, emphatic pronoun. They show emphasis and are generally used after the pronoun. Example, he himself organized the picnic. So, himself here is the emphatic pronoun. She herself baked the cake. So, herself here is a emphatic pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative people or things, they stand for this, that, these, those. So what are demonstrative pronouns? That show demonstration for things and people. Indefinite pronoun. What are indefinite pronoun? A pronoun which refers to a person or a thing in a general way. Someone, everything, nobody, few, none, anyone, all, others, etc. So which don't show a definite person, that are known as indefinite pronoun. Interrogative pronouns. They are used for asking questions. So pronouns which we use for asking questions, that are known as interrogative pronoun. Example: who, whom, whose, what, which. Now, relative pronoun. It refers to a preceding noun, that, who, which, when, those, what, whatever. So relative pronouns show a relationship between noun and the person whom we are defining. For example, this is the boy who stood first. So this is the boy. This here is the relative pronoun because it gives more information about the boy. Cricket is the game which I would like to play. So which here is a relative pronoun that is used for cricket. Next one in exercise, fill the corrective pronoun. Sumit and his friends went to Delhi. We use his because we are giving more information about Sumit. Sneha bought this cap, it is hers. So it shows possession of Sneha. This book belongs to me, it is mine. So mine here shows my possession to the book. Paul loves his sister Anna. So his here is used for Paul. She herself prepared the lunch. So herself here is the emphatic pronoun because it gives more information about she. Hope you understood what is being taught to you in this lesson. In your online class, your teacher will discuss the exercises related to this topic. Till the time, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.